The Arizona State Sun Devils and Stanford Cardinal will meet up in Week 4 of the 2013 college football season. This is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com. Saturday night's opening kickoff scheduled for 7 o'clock Eastern Time on Fox from Stanford Stadium in this Pac-12 conference matchup. The Cardinal opened up as 6.5-point home favorites. That number has reached 7 in the market, while the total has been the real mover, going from 52 to anywhere between 49.5 and 50.5 at SBRodds.com. Arizona State 2-0 straight up, 1-1 against the spread, coming off a 32-30 victory over the Wisconsin Badgers as 7-point home favorites last Saturday. Quarterback Taylor Kelly threw for a career-high 352 yards in that contest. The Sun Devils are 16-11 straight up all-time against Stanford, but have dropped 5 of their last 6 trips to Palo Alto. Also, the Sun Devils are a dangerous underdog given the fact that they've scored first in 13 of 15 games under second-year head coach Todd Graham, but they're just 1-7 straight up, 1-5-2 against the spread as underdogs since 2011. When looking at Stanford, 2-0 straight up, 0-2 against the spread, clearly overvalued in the beginning of the 2013 campaign. But I think their lackluster efforts against the point spread can be attributed to lack of motivation due to their early season schedule, playing a familiar foe in San Jose State to kick off the season, and then traveling to the Eastern time zone to take on Army. The Cardinal have won 10 games in a row at home, which is tied for the 4th longest such winning streak in college football. Also 8-2 straight up at this venue versus ranked opponents since 2009. And the Cardinal have averaged 38.1 points and given up just 21.6 points per game over its last 33 contests in front of its home fans. 2-0 straight up and against the spread as home favorites of 3.5 to 7 points the last 2+ seasons. And also from a sports betting trend perspective in the series, the favorite is 4-0-1 against the spread in the last 5 meetings. I'm going to lay the points and back the Stanford Cardinal as 7-point home favorites against the Arizona State Sun Devils in Week 4 of the college football season. I also recommend taking a look at the second half point spread. If Stanford is either up by a single score or trailing by a single score, as I think there's a definite advantage for the Cardinal over the Sun Devils in the second half in this matchup. This has been another edition of Across the Board here at SBRforum.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports.